In this tutorial I will demonstrate how to merge the internal and external hard drives on a Mac to create a single larger volume. Additionally, I will show you how to install macOS Sonoma on this newly created volume. Maybe you found this a crazy idea, but believe me, it can be extremely useful in certain situations, particularly when you have two small drives and need to transfer large amounts of data. Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, recently, one of my subscribers approached me and asked, is it possible to merge the internal and external hard drives on a Mac in order to expand the hard drive space? The answer is simple: yes, it is possible, and here are the step-by-step instructions. Before starting the video, I will highly recommend you, please back up your data before merging disks, because both disks will be erased during this process. After backup, open your disk utility app. For that, press Command plus spacebar. To activate Spotlight Search, type Disk Utility, and hit the Enter key. Before explaining how to merge a single hard drive on a Mac, let me first tell you how to do it, if your Mac has multiple hard drives. So if your Mac have multiple internal hard drives, like this Mac, then you can easily merge your internal and external drives. Simply go to File menu, and choose RAID Assistant. Select Concatenated, and then click Next. From there, choose both your internal and external hard drives, and click Next. Now give a name for your new volume, select your preferred format, and merge them. Within a few seconds, you will have a newly merged volume. Now let me show you how to do it. If your Mac has only one SSD or hard drive. Friends, if you have only one SSD on your Mac, you cannot merge it directly. You need to prepare it first and then merge. For that, go to the View menu and select Show All Devices. Now select the top level of your hard drive or SSD, and click on the Partition button. Now we need to create a small partition on our hard drive, so I click on the plus icon. Choose the Add Partition option instead of the Add Volume, because there is a significant difference between a partition and a volume. Anyway, select the amount of hard disk space you want to allocate for the partition. Format the new volume as macOS Extended Journaled. Wait for a few minutes. Once the process is done, close the window. We successfully create a partition on our hard drive. Go to File menu, and choose RAID Assistant. Select Concatenated option, and click Next. From here, choose both your internal and external hard drives, and click Next. Here, if you want, you can give a name of your new volume. Now select your preferred format. I recommend choosing APFS if you're installing a modern Mac operating system like macOS Sonoma. Click Next, and then click Create button. That's it. We have successfully merged our internal and external drives. Now you can close the Disk Utility app. Let's check the drive. You can see my disk space has increased. We can now utilize this disk space according to our needs. We can save files, folders, games or applications on this disk. However, in my case, I need this disk as a backup for my entire operating system. So the next task for me is to install the macOS operating system along with applications on this drive. For demo purposes, I have switched back to my previous Mac, whose hard drive we merged a while ago. We previously merged 1 + 1 2 TB hard drive on this Mac, so we have plenty of space for any backups. For backup, I use a third-party app called SuperDuper. By the way, this video is not sponsored by SuperDuper. I found this software very useful, which is why I use it. If you prefer, you can use any other similar software for this purpose. Anyway, navigate to the Copy section and select your Mac hard drive. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose your merged drive. Leave everything as it is, and click on the Copy Now button. You will be prompted to enter your admin password, so type it in and hit the Enter key. That's all. This app will create a carbon copy of your main hard drive in 3 simple steps. In the first step, the app will prepare for the backup. In the second step, it will create a replica of your hard drive. And in the third step, it will make your backup drive bootable. So you can see, we successfully backed up our entire operating system on a Marge drive. Let's check the drive. So friends, thus you can merge your internal and external hard drives to expand your hard disk space. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.